Delaney, do you like peas? What do you think? Are these any good? No good? No? But do you want some more? Yeah, you want more? No, you don't want more. But you want more. No, you don't want more. Surprise, surprise. Delaney has learned to say no. Nope. Not here. Not today. Not for you. Do you like them? No, no. You don't like them. This isn't your first rodeo with peas. No, no, it's not. Do you have a good day with Mom and Dad today? Kind of? No. Oh, no. You didn't have a good day. Is this any good? Mommy made these special for you. Do they taste good? Yeah. Okay. I'll take that.